Here are more sun-powered ventilation products with a shared approach. They work for metal, wooden, and tile roofs using brushless motors. The second system stands out as it's built to endure hurricane winds up to 177 kilometers per hour. The manufacturers claim the Pro version can cover an area of 46 square meters effectively. Both systems offer additional advantages, like saving electricity and reducing the risk of indoor mold growth. These solar-powered ventilation systems are versatile and suitable for various roof types, providing energy-efficient solutions and added protection against extreme weather. Did you know that flooding can cause 6 times more damage than a fire and 8 times more than a burglary? The creators of the Flow system encourage you to protect your property. This system constantly monitors your pipes and quickly stops the water supply when a leak is detected. With Flow, the risk of flooding decreases by an impressive 96%. You can receive leak notifications and access data on water usage, pressure, and more through your smartphone. Plus, Flow can connect with virtual assistants like Alexa if needed. You can get this system for $575. It's a smart investment to prevent costly water damage in your home or apartment, providing peace of mind and significant savings in potential repair costs. To sell a $400 patio umbrella, all you need is a remote control and a 10,400 mAh battery. With these features, you can open and close the umbrella from a distance of 20 meters and use it as a power bank. This innovative umbrella is called Bluu and is designed to enhance outdoor living. However, it's worth noting that Bluu isn't the only option in the market. The above height series umbrella offers a more impressive system for $530. In addition to remote control, it includes a solar panel and built-in lighting. Moreover, it has a wind sensor that automatically closes the umbrella when the weather turns unfavorable. While Bluu offers convenience and innovation, competitors like the above height series outdoor umbrella provide even more features for those looking to elevate their outdoor experience. In 2021, a survey in the United States found that 1 in 4 residents experienced package theft. That's why this smart parcel box, priced at $400, is more important than ever. It's made of sturdy metal to keep your parcels safe from both thieves and bad weather. The box offers various ways to open it. You can use voice commands through Google Assistant or Alexa. Alternatively, you can provide a PIN code to the courier. It also has a built-in 10MP camera, allowing you to view live video on your smartphone. Plus, there's an option for 16 GB of cloud storage to preserve special moments. In areas with security concerns, it's recommended to secure the box with bolts. This smart parcel box provides peace of mind and convenience, protecting your deliveries and valuable memories. The story of Phantom screens has similarities to Apple's beginnings, both starting in garages and gaining significant recognition. Apple is known for its computers and devices, while Phantom screens excels in retractable screens. Although they now have competitors, Phantom screens maintains a reputation for offering top-quality screens. They customize each order to fit the room and client's preferences, handling various challenges like French or Dutch doors, large houses, panoramic windows, and patios. Phantom screens' reach extends from Canada to New Zealand, showcasing their global presence and commitment to providing exceptional screens for homes worldwide. Just as Apple revolutionized technology, Phantom screens continues to excel in their niche, ensuring clients get the best in retractable screens. The future of firefighting has arrived with Automist. This system can detect fires and act 14 times faster than regular sprinkler systems. What sets Automist apart is its wall-mounted setup, connected to your home's plumbing system, making it both easy to install and cost-effective. To put it in perspective, in just 10 minutes, Automist uses only a third of the water in a bathtub, whereas a typical sprinkler system uses over 3 bathtubs worth. Automist also employs infrared scanning to determine the ideal spray head for each specific situation. Automist revolutionizes firefighting by being faster, more efficient, and using significantly less water than traditional systems, all while keeping your home safe from fires. Collecting rainwater for your garden can be made more efficient with a smart system consisting of key components. Consider the digital timer, which not only allows you to set the watering duration, but also the type of irrigation needed. It even offers a weekly schedule option, so you can customize irrigation for each day. If you prefer something simpler, there are basic timers available. One option looks like a kitchen timer and lets you set watering times for up to 120 minutes. To ensure water reaches where it's needed, you can use sprinklers from the same manufacturer. These sprinklers come with a range of angles, from 20 to 360 degrees. With these components, you can efficiently use collected rainwater to keep your garden healthy and thriving. The global company Philips, known for a wide range of products, has entered the home security arena with Philips Hue Secure. It's a comprehensive home security system that includes cameras, window and door sensors, two-way communication speakers, and an alarm system. Each component in this system has unique features. The cameras are equipped with powerful LED spotlights and AI capabilities. The sensors can be placed on doors, windows, or even furniture. So for example, when you open a closet door, the lights come on. To keep you informed, there's a smartphone app that sends notifications about expected and unexpected guests. Philips Hue Secure is an intriguing addition to Philips' catalog, providing comprehensive home security with various smart features to enhance your peace of mind. This shades offer benefits beyond the technology they use. According to BEASEN, what customers appreciate is how this technology simplifies their lives. With one remote control, you can manage up to 15 blinds. If you prefer, you can set a schedule for the blinds directly from your smartphone. They also respond to voice commands as they connect with Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. These blinds are battery-powered, and just 6 hours of charging can keep them running for 6 months. Additionally, BEASEN believes that having these blinds can increase your property's value if you decide to sell it. Prices for these blinds start at $180. So, not only do they offer convenience and smart functionality, but they can also enhance your home and potentially boost its resale value. There's a 98% chance that in the next 5 years, one of them will be exceptionally hot, breaking temperature records. This could lead to increased rainfall in some areas, making storm drains and water collection systems crucial for cities, not just for comfort, but out of necessity. Interestingly, collecting rainwater can also benefit businesses like Richard's Rainwater Company, which sells 12 cans of purified rainwater for about $17. You can start a similar venture using such systems. Moreover, if you're not interested in starting a business, these systems offer additional advantages, like reducing water bills. In certain regions, authorities may even provide partial compensation for installing such systems. So, not only do they help save water and manage extreme weather, but they can also be a practical investment for businesses and homeowners.